Ooh, ooh. Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour tout le monde, comment nous y? So as you know, it's Neftali. Comme on connaît déjà, c'est Neftali. Today we're gonna talk about child today, old or adult tomorrow. Si moun Jodi, granmoun demen. What does that mean? So, child today, adult or old tomorrow. Because you're a child now, tomorrow you're gonna grow. You're not gonna stay like a child. You're gonna grow. So, how your parents talk to you when you're home? Because when you go to school, you know everything. You have friends. When you go to the street, you guys talk to like everything. So what about home? You scared, stay home because your parents don't like to talk to you. You scared when you're home. You have to stay on your room. You have to watching TV because your parents don't call you, say, hey, come sit down. We need to talk. Hey, come sit down. We need to eat as a family. We need to talk about life because me and your dad, me and your mom, before we was a adult, we was a kids. How life is sometimes is struggle, sometimes life is going well. How? If you don't talk to your kids like that, if you don't tell your kids what was going on before and now, they're gonna scare you because they're not gonna be your friend. They're gonna be, hey, I wanna stay school, I wanna do this, I wanna do that. Guess what? Now a lot of kids wanna stay in the room because they bored, because they say there is no school. My parents sometimes they don't have time. I understand. Sometimes you're working, but you have a day off. What you do with your day off? Did you take your kids outside? Did you take your kids, you bring it to the living room, sit down, as a family, talk? But only thing you need to do first, tell your kids about God. That's the first thing you need to do. Make sure your kids know about God. And after that, don't scare to talk to your kids. Because if you're scared to do that, the school gonna do it. The friend outside gonna do it. And now, they're gonna be outside friend more than you. Because they're gonna say, hey, my parents doesn't talk to me like that. But you explain it to me, everything. Now when they do something, they're not gonna tell you because you're not their friend. They're not gonna come tell you. So moi fè vidéo ça c'est par rapport en pile ti moun pa zami parent yo parce que parent yo pa chita pour yo parler ensemble avec yo. Parent yo pa ba yo ça qui relè éducation. Yo prend éducation l'école, mais yo pa prend éducation la caille. Yo pa prend éducation la caille, yo prend éducation la caille. Comment ou même leur lever avec ti moun ou pa on gen ou pas faire pour. Mais est-ce que ou même, est-ce qu'on fait pour petit ou k'ap venir? Comment ou considérer ti moun sa yo? Premier bagay pour faire ti moun yo connaît bon Dieu exister pour yo gen crainte pour bon Dieu. Depuis yo gen crainte pour bon Dieu, y a gen crainte pour ou. Comment que ou gérer ti moun sa yo la caille? Comment que ou fait ti moun sa yo senti que yo nan family? How you make the kids feel like we're in the family, we're living together, we have fun together. Oh, I miss my mom, I miss my dad because when I'm home, my mom always laughing at me, she always like joke at me, my dad always like play with me, my dad always explain to me about life. Super fail. Yep, toujours senti you're bored. I don't want to stay home because they're never home. They're always at work. They always talk by themselves. They never come talk to us. I don't want to stay home. How you gonna make your kids be your friend if you don't talk to them? If you don't relax with them? How they gonna be your friend? I hope you guys, I'm coming with another video to talk more about family. Family is mom, dad, kids. That's family. Maman, papa, petite, c'est ça, famille. Si nous pas fait famille avec Timoun, ça, les Timoun yo vin grand, y a fait même bagay ensemble avec nous. Yo pas famille avec petite yo encore. If you guys don't do that, mom, dad, kids is family. When the kids grow, they're gonna do the same thing. When they have kids, they're not gonna be family with their kids. I hope you guys understand that. Your kids is your friend. You need to sit down. You need to play with them. You need to talk to them. Because when they do something, they're not gonna scare to come talk to you. Hey mom, you know, and I have a boyfriend or I have a girlfriend, blah 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 blah. But if you don't talk to them, guess what? They're not gonna come talk to you. I hope you guys understand that. Please share the video, like and leave a comment. I will see you guys to the next video. Have a blessed day. Thank you.